Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a little bit different. I wanted to do a video, an updated one. I think I have one about floater frames. I'll put the link up that I did way back on how to attach floater frames to your art. This one is more about a company, and you'll hear me say in the video, because I filmed this a month ago, that I wasn't an affiliate and that I didn't have any discount codes. That is no longer true. So please, please, if you like what you see and you want to try this company called pictureframes.com, I do have discount codes, links in the description section for you to check out. And otherwise, it's slightly kludgy video. Just roll with it. Bear with me. I was really excited, and I kind of cobbled together a review and what these picture frames look like, just to give you guys some alternatives to the art stores like Jerry's or Blick's, charging a fortune for like the Illusion floater frames or the ampersand floater frames. There are better deals out there to be had. Anyway, let me get you down. Hey guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. This is a little bit different of a video. This is an unpacking video from some floater frames I had ordered for a new to me company called pictureframes.com. This is like the fourth time I've ordered from them, and I have been most seriously impressed with their prices, with their customer service, with their selection and quality of floater frames. Like, I got tired of buying floater frames from art stores like Blick's or Jerry's Artorama, and I found the selection to be quite limited. So we're going to do a quick reveal here of some floater frames, and I'll show you how nice they are. Oops, I missed one. So I think this first one here is a black floater frame, and I'll pop some art into it so you can see what it looks like. But right now, just let me get all the tape off. And I don't know about you guys, but whenever I get something in the mail, I'm like, oh, free bubble wrap. Right? Like, I think we all do that. So I'm trying not to rip it and just get it at the tape. This is my first reveal video. So what do we got here? I think this is just a black floater frame. And what's nice is when you order, you can upload your art and see your art inside the floater frame. So this first one here, this is a black floater frame with the bronze top, and there's a piece of tape on it. Hold on a second. And let me get something to wipe that off. It comes with the hardware. I think that's in the package underneath here. Everything you need, along with the catalog. I'll get that in a minute. I'm dying to put a piece of art in here. We're just going to leave this sit here. I'll be right back. I'm going to get a piece of art to plop into this. All right. Got some canvases. Just grab what was ever in the living room. There's this painting here. And you just plop it in there like that. I already had hardware on this one. And they give you, in the little baggie, all the hardware and the wire and hooks and everything you need to attach it, which is awesome. They also like included a catalog. It's called pictureframes.com. Can't recommend them enough. Like, just look how beautiful this is. This one has the top, so there's that one. It just makes my piece look so nicely finished. I'm gonna plop something else in here and see. I think I bought this one for this painting, actually. Yep. So these were the 10 by 20s. Here they had a Black Friday sale, and I don't think I spent more than, no, definitely not more than $100. And I got this, and I'm gonna unpack the next one. I wanted to show you also, so this is the one with, I can't remember if it's copper or gold or what the top is. It'll say on the website when you go. I also got this frame here that goes with this art. Amazingly gorgeous. See, you just get more color choices than you would from an art store. I got that one, and then one more. Hold on. So this is a black matte floater frame for this piece here. Really, really nice. Like, super happy. They have wood ones, they have metal ones, they have all kinds of colors. They sell them in 2 different widths, so you can get finally like a 10 by 20 or 12 by 24 frame for your deep-sided gallery wrap canvases. And they also have the traditional 7/8 to fit the regular size, the 3/4 canvases. So let's move all this out of the way. And let's see what this one is. I misplaced my X-Acto knife. Sorry for the noise. Let me get scissors. That'll drive me crazy. And just snip that off there. Wow, this is a bigger one. This looks like a 18 by 24 or 16 by 20 maybe. So this is a 16 by 20, same frame design as the last one. I think they owe me one more that might be coming separately. Let me grab the art that goes into this. Okay, I found it. I was like, what painting is it? It's this one. Oh, I gotta match up the art to the frames I buy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, because this painting had a lot of the deep copper in it as well. And this was a 16 by 20. This is the deeper sides here. And it's just perfect. Look at that. So all I have to do is add the hardware. It comes with little S brackets. And the S brackets, I'll show you what they look like. It's super easy. They give you the brackets, and they give you the little screws. And I just have my little drill nearby, and you just attach it like this on the 4 sides, and then I already have this wired. So super easy, but they give you the wire, they give you the D-rings, they give you the double D-rings with the double hooks. So if you don't have these already, it comes with it. And let me hold these up so you can see what these look like. Let me fix my camera. Hey guys, before I go, and again, apologies for the kludgy video, I wanted to show you again one last thing when you go to order, because I screwed this up and then had to call the company, and they were very good and changed my order for me. But when you go to order, you can load your art. I put it just through this 14 by 14 in a black floater frame. And then over here, you put in your height and your length, and it was 14 by 14. But if you see those other 2 boxes right there, you want to leave those blank. Those are meant for people who make their own stretcher bars and stretch their own canvases. So if you're buying ready-made canvases and you go to Michael's or an art store or Hobby Lobby or whatever and buying canvases right from a store, you leave those 2 fields blank. So if you want to frame a 16 by 20 canvas, the size of frame you're ordering is a 16 by 20. It'll tell you on the side here how big the whole thing will be afterwards. But if that's all you do, there's no need for you to like calculate how much bigger the frame needs to be around your substrate. If it's a 12 by 24 canvas, that's the size you order. They will take care of the rest. Trying to think of anything else. Again, discount codes are in the description section. Go check them out. They do expire. I will put up new ones periodically. And thanks for watching my kludgy video. Peace and love to you all. I'll have a painting video up soon. Until then, y'all take care. Peace out.